In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable biometric logins for quick access. This simple step can save you time and make logging into your devices or apps a lot more convenient. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up biometric login on your phone or computer in just a few minutes. Now, if you're tired of typing in passwords every time you access your phone or computer, biometric logins are a game changer. Whether it's your fingerprint, face recognition, or even an iris scan, enabling biometric login gives you quicker, easier, and more secure access to your devices. Stick around till the end, as I'll also share an exclusive offer that will help you streamline this process with some powerful software. Let's get started. First, let's talk about enabling biometric login on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on your model. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. From here, select the option to add a face or fingerprint. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face or finger. Once that's done, you can use Face ID or Touch ID for quick access to apps, payment services, and even unlocking your phone. For Android users, the process is pretty similar. Open the Settings app, then go to Security or Biometrics and Security. Look for fingerprint or face recognition and follow the prompts to set up your preferred biometric option. Once set up, you can use your fingerprint or face for things like unlocking your phone, making payments, or logging into apps. Now, you may be wondering, what about on my computer? Well, it's easy there too. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign In Options. Under Windows Hello, you'll see options for facial recognition or fingerprint login. Simply set up the option you prefer and follow the instructions to complete the process. For Mac users, you can enable biometric logins through System Preferences, Touch ID, and then register your finger. With that, you'll be able to use Touch ID to unlock your Mac and approve Apple Pay transactions. You might be thinking this all sounds easy, and it is. But there's one catch. For some of these options to work seamlessly across different devices and apps, you may need special software. After testing out a few of the best options, I found one that stands out, and I'll give you exclusive access to a free trial in the description below. This software is perfect for setting up biometric logins across multiple platforms, giving you that extra layer of convenience. The key takeaway from this video is that enabling biometric logins is a quick, easy, and secure way to access your devices. Whether it's your phone, computer, or apps, using your fingerprint or face for login is the future of secure access. To recap, we showed you how to enable biometric logins on your phone, computer, and apps. I also recommended some software in the description below that can help make your biometric login setup even easier. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier. It's only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching.